So today's topic is importance of pH in everyday life.
Hello students, welcome to the class again, and I have given some questions at the last of the video. So try to solve those questions and do it in your notebook, because your parents are complaining that you people are not completing your work. So once school will reopen, you know that we will get back to the work and we will definitely check your notebooks.
Importance of pH. pH is the measure of H+ ions present in a solution, indicating the acidic or basic strength of the solution. The pH of a neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution. Whereas, with the increase in the values from 7 to 14 on the pH scale, the basic strength of the solution increases. Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. pH of acid rain is 5.6. When the water from the acid rain flows into rivers, it lowers the pH of the river water, which causes lots of damage to the aquatic life. Plants also require a specific pH range for healthy growth. You know that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which means its pH is less than 6. Excess production of acid by the stomach causes pain and irritation. We usually take antacids to get rid of this pain. For example, magnesium hydroxide, that is NgOH2, is an antacid which neutralizes the excess acid. Also, after eating, the bacteria present in the mouth starts producing acid due to the degradation of sugar and food particles left over in the mouth. This reduces the pH of the mouth below 5.5, and the tooth enamel, which is made up of calcium phosphate, that is Ca3PO4(2), which is the hardest substance in the body, starts decaying. Therefore, it is advised to clean the mouth after eating food using some toothpaste. These toothpastes are generally basic in nature. When a bee stings someone, it leaves some acid which results in pain and irritation. Using mild paste like baking soda can give some relief when applied over the affected area. Similarly, nettle leaves produce stinging sensation when contacted because they inject formic acid, that is HCOOH, which results in burning.
See students, can you see these questions? Question number 31. It's a paragraph based question, so such kind of questions you have to prepare and you have to write answers also. And these questions are reasoning assertion based questions, students. These questions you are already familiar with. I think in 9th class also you have got these questions. So try to solve these questions, at yourself. And if you write it in your notebook, that is very good, because practice is the best thing which you can do to clear your exams with good marks. And try to do these kind of matching tag questions also. They are very nice questions which I really like them, to clear your concept. And in case any doubt you have, we will definitely discuss in the doubt session on Saturday. So stay tuned and do your best, do your work properly. No complaint should come from your parents' side or even from me too, okay? So, and the students that are not coming in the class, and if you're watching videos also, you have to complete your work. You can't give any excuse that we haven't done work. Thank you, and do your work properly.